my name is Robin, and I want to walk you through what I love about this Black+Decker String Trimmer. So this trimmer is honestly the best. We are using it here as a weed whacker, and now you just turn that lock and you turn the end, and then it becomes this edger. This is such a powerful machine. I love that it's lightweight. I'm 5'4", and I'm able to get after it. We had one that was just too bulky, too long, did not work, but this is adjustable, but it is honestly so simple to use. That wheel is the best. You're not having to hover over the edge. You're just able to use it. I had neglected this area. It's just a little forgotten spot in my backyard. So I went over it once, and now I'm going over it again to kind of get that cleaner edge. And it's such a pretty clean edge, such a simple design. I don't let my front yard get overgrown, and so usually just one pass through gets it done. I exclusively use the Black+Decker auto feed spools. I have found that they work the absolute best with this product. They are made for the Black+Decker model. So here I'm just showing you how you would change it. So I've opened it up. You can see how that just thread it through. It's a very simple design. And then I'm going to need to cut that down. So I just go ahead and put the cap back on. And again, this is a very intuitive way to do this, very simple. And then I just needed to cut that down. But that's the replacement spool, which I absolutely recommend. The replacement spool lasts forever, so it's a total winner. And here I'm just cutting it to be the size roughly of that shield. This is a powerful multitasker. It's an awesome tool, and I totally recommend it. Thanks.